Yeah, so here I'm in the nature, and it's really nice. It's always nice to be in the nature. You can hear some birds still. It's not winter yet, it's just autumn. And it's still kind of green, but you see leaves on the ground, and it's time of change. It's really nice. And when you're in the nature, it's nice to just breathe. Just inhale and exhale. And when there's so much meaning in that, to inhale and exhale, we need to do both. We can't just do one. We can't just forever. Try it. See how long you stay awake until you pass out. But when you're breathing in the nature too. The nature has medicine, healing medicine. So it's good to breathe in when you're in nature and breathe in the medicine too, because the nature is giving you medicine. It's helping you. So you breathe in, exhale, and then you think of the nature. Yeah, when you're exhaling, it's like, okay, you want to give to the nature too. Yeah, so maybe you should eat healthy foods. So what comes out of you is healthy too. So you're giving to the nature too, and that leads to other things. To take care of the nature. To you see a bug walking by, just say hey. Let it go by. Don't step on it. Just let it go by and say, wow, he's going someplace or she's going someplace. Wonder where's Put yourself in that perspective. Wonder where she's going or where he's going. Where did he come from? Maybe they were visiting. Maybe they had a party or something and he's going home now. Or maybe he's going to a party. Who knows? But see, when you think like that, you are looking at another perspective. You're looking at a nature perspective. And that's cool because now you're becoming connected to things. You always are connected, but now you are embracing it. You're appreciating these connections, and then you do leads to other things. You take care of the nature. Don't be throwing trash, or you have plants at home. Make sure you take care of them. They have enough water and things like that, because these are really important people here. We just think, I'm gonna make a rope there and play Tarzan, and but no, these are people. Yeah, these are really beautiful people standing here, and they're waiting for us to talk to them. You can go hug the tree if you want to. Not me, but you can if you want to. But you can talk to them, and even with your thoughts, because their language is different. They don't say, "Hi, Dave, how are you doing? I didn't see you since June." No, but they have a language too. And when we say do our way of communicating, they can pick up on it. They feel the vibrations, and then they can send us something too. So it's good to stand here and just breathe, exhale. This connection cycle, taking in, going out. It's wonderful. And here, I was just walking along, and I was talking about something that you look at. Look at here. We have somebody crossing the road here. He got really scared because he thought I was going to step on him. So he really jumped earlier, but now he sees I'm not going to step on him, and where did he come from? Where is he going? Yeah, look at that. That's so cool. Yeah, look at the way he moves. He's going home, or he's going to find some food. Isn't that neat? It's so cool. This is what I mean about looking at things in nature, and just acknowledging them, and sending good thoughts, and and wishing them well, because who knows, yeah, where did he go? Yeah, and what does this lead to? I was walking here and then I saw something kind of jump and I looked down. I thought I was going to step on him. So I stopped and, oh, look. See, be mindful of everything because he has a family or she has a family or maybe that's a child. Who knows? But it's nature. Yeah, we're all connected to one another. So when we acknowledge them, then things are good. Life is wonderful if we let it be. Much for taking the time to listen to this video. I really appreciate it. And if you would like to send a special thanks in support of this channel, look at the bottom of this video where the title is, and right under that, where it says like, dislike, and share, right in that area, slide it towards the left, and you will see the symbols change, and then you will see a heart-shaped button that says thanks on it. If you would like to click on there to send your thanks of support, I would really appreciate it, as I really do enjoy making these videos and speaking with you and spending some time with you. So again, thank you very much for listening. To learn more about Lakota spirituality, I have written a book called Wichocha Otechike. This book also includes Lakota Star Knowledge information. All the videos that I make, which are about Lakota spirituality, Lakota Star Knowledge, and cultural information, are based on this book. This book costs 99 American dollars. This price includes the shipping cost as well as a tracking number. And to learn more about Lakota language, I have written a Lakota language book called Chante Etanha Owoglake, Speaking from the Heart. And all my Lakota language videos are based on this book. This book costs 119 American dollars. This price includes the shipping cost as well as a tracking number. I also teach online and I give spiritual consultations as well. If you are interested in any of my services and products, you can send payment via PayPal to my email address, which is hehaka7@yahoo.com. That's HEHAKA, the number 7, @yahoo.com. When you send your payment, please include your shipping address and your email address. Ho, Lila Pilamayelo. Thank you very much. In the Lakota way, everything is circular. As a result, we do not have a word for goodbye in the Lakota language. And so instead we say until next time, which in Lakota is Doksha Ake. And I will catch you in the next video.